Hello. Welcome to Ace Muet channel. Remember, Ace Muet channel, Ace Muet results, Ace your future. With me, I'm Miss Chia Tuwai. Alright, today you're going to learn how to ace report writing in Muet. It is part 2, how to write an effective introduction. Let's go. Okay, there are 4 tips you may follow. Tips number 1, you have to observe the visuals. Tips number 2, you have to be alert with the questions, WH questions. Tips number 3, you have to have the knowledge about linkers. Tips number 4, how to write an effective introductory paragraphs. Okay, in the introductory paragraph, there are 2 things that you need to remember. You have to write an intro and you have to write an overview in the first paragraph, and the defining term overall, in general, and generally must be there. Next. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, there are visuals, so you have to observe the information from the title. Okay, you have title from figure 1, you also have title from figure 2. Understand what is the title about, right? Next slides. Okay, now this is the question, yeah? How to write an introductory paragraph. How do you write an introductory paragraph? So you observe the question. The rubrics, yeah? Study the visuals given on the number of visitors to 3 eco-marine parks from 2016 to 2020 and the promotional activities to attract visitors in 2020. Write a report using only the information provided in the 2 visuals. In your report, you are to link the information presented in figure 1 and table 1. You should write between 150 to 200 words. This is the question. Usually this is the type of question tested in Muet in Muet 800/4 question 1. So now we look at the question. We look at the title. Okay, figure 1. What is the information that you get from the title? It is about number of visitors to 3 eco-marine parks from 2016 to 2020. Alright, please observe the value from axis Y and X. Y is about number of visitors, whereas X is about the year from 2016 to 2020. The total number of years are 5 years. Okay, the key feature. What is the key feature? You have eco-marine park X, eco-marine park Y, and eco-marine park Z. There are 3 key features here. Move on to the next visual, which is a table. Okay, look at the table. Promotional activities carried out by the eco-marine parks in 2020. This is the title of the second visual. Okay, now observe. You have activity, you have the key feature, eco-marine park X, eco-marine parks Y, eco-marine park Z. And from this table 1, you can get the key feature as well. These key features are the activities, yeah? You have free dog gift, senior citizens discount, lucky draw, monthly event, free tour guides, adopt coral reefs, and marine life. Alright, so in order to answer the questions, the following tips asking about you to identify the WH questions. Okay, we shall start with what. Okay, so the what is about number of visitors. Okay, let me bring next slides. Okay, the tips about WH questions, you have to understand what, when, and where. These three questions will help you to understand what do you need to write for a intro paragraph. Okay, this is the visual. This is the question. Okay, now we answer WH questions 1. Number 1, what is it? It is about number of visitors. Where is it? The 3 eco-marine parks. Remember? Eco-marine park X, eco-marine parks Y, and eco-marine park Z. When is it? From 2016 to 2020. If you look at 2016, from 2016 to 2020, okay, when you count the words, the total number of words here is 4 words. But if you use from 2016-2020, here the number of words are only 3 words. Yeah. So now we shall look at table 1. What is the table 1 about? Oh, it is about the promotional activities. Just now I have gone through all those promotional activities in table 1. So you just to have to recall. When is it? Right? It is only in 2020, not other years. Yeah? Only in 2020. Remember, when you do the linking, when you want to synthesize, you're going to synthesize from the 2020. Look at the data 2020, you link the promotional activities in 2020 only. This is when you are required to write a synthesis. Move on. Next, the linker. When you want to join the information or the visuals from figure 1 and table 1, you need to use the linker to construct a complete sentence. Okay, you may use and, while, whereas. Next, number 2. Example number 2. Figure 1 shows the number of visitors to Eco Marine Park X, Eco Marine Park Y, and Eco Marine Park X from 2016 to 2020, while Table 1 depicts the promotional activities carried out to attract visitors in 2020. Okay, just now, for the first introductions, I used the visuals. These visuals is in plural form. You combine the information from figure 1 and table 1. So the second example, you introduce the visuals one after another. You introduce figure 1 first, and then you use the linker while, and then you introduce the second visual. Number 3, example number 3. The stimuli illustrate the number of visitors to the 3 eco-marine parks in 2016 to 2020 and the promotional activities carried out by the eco-marine parks in 2020. Observe here, just now, example 1, I use the word the visuals. So example 3, I use the word stimuli. The stimuli means you represent 2 visuals. Okay, example number 4. So you're going to combine these 2 visuals. Figure 1 and Table 1 display the number of visitors to 3 eco-marine parks from 2016 to 2020 and the promotional activities carried out by the eco-marine parks respectively in 2020. Why this word respectively is used in this example number 4? These words is used to complement the figure 1 and figure 2. Figure 1 is about the number of visitors to the eco-marine parks from 2016 to 2020. Whereas table 1 is about the promotional activities. So when you write the compound words figure 1 and table 1, you have to use the word respectively in order to show. You talk about visitor first, later on you're going to talk about the promotional activities. Next. So overview or overall trend. So when you write an overall trend in the introductory paragraph, you need to use this magic word in general, generally, and overall trend. Okay, how to get this? How to come to conclusions. How do you deduce into this? So you have to look at the element, to the slides. How is the data in the visuals linked? How is it linked? Okay, the data, how are you going to link it? When you want to link, you have to have the four element. Yeah, four element. You need to have time frame, key feature, data, and trend. So from the data that you have got from the visual, what is the connections that you're going to do, and going to have? Okay, you're going to observe the data from the figure 1. You look at the number, okay, which are having the highest number of visitors, and then you go to the table 1. Look at the activities. Okay, you're going to find out whether these eco marine parks carry out the most number of activities or the least number of activities. From here you are able to make the connection, make the relationships. Okay, so I bring you to look at the example of an overview. So generally, the number of visitors to 3 eco-marine parks in 2020 was influenced by the promotional activities carried out by the eco-marine parks in 2020. Okay, please think. Okay, in order to have many number of visitors to this eco-marine park, so the eco-marine park uh, should have should promote some activities. So the more the activities that you have, the more number of visitors will be going to the eco-marine parks. Am I right or not? So this is the relationships that you have to look at. Positive relationships mean as the number of visitors increase, the promotional activities also will be increased. Okay, uh, this is the normal kind of relationships. Yeah. So moving on to the next example overview. In general, promotional activities carried out by the eco marine parks in 2020 influenced the number of visitors to the 3 eco marine parks in 2020. So again here, I would like to highlight here, you change the overview, this word in general, and you bring the activities early. So when you have the activities, then only you influence the number of visitors to the 3 eco marine parks. Yeah, the activities determine the data for that particular key features. Okay, right. So okay, uh, this is promotional activity carried out for this overview. Okay, observe this. Another example. So here I mention all the 3 eco marine parks. Okay, and table 1 shows the promotional activities carried out to attract visitors in 2020, and this is the generally the overview. Okay, right, next. So here I will reach here. So stay tuned with Ace My channel, how to ace your report writing. So my coming video I will talk about how to ace your body paragraph with analysis, how to ace your body paragraph with synthesis, and lastly how to ace your concluding paragraphs. Yeah, so stay tuned with me, Ace Muet channel. Okay, I promise to do more videos so that you can score your Muet band with flying colors. Okay. Okay, please like my channel. Okay, please subscribe my channel as well. Okay, thank you very much. Do remember, please subscribe, like and share Muet channel so that you can help more friends to understand what is the report writing, and hopefully with this video you can write better report writing and score better marks. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye.